You have to listen to me, J Israel. Otherwise, here I'm go mute. I've got moderators here. So, J Israel, you answered me your question very well. The first one I asked you that you used to be a criminal, criminalizing things through a church. You admitted that yes, you did that. Were you held accountable for those things besides you admitting it because of Kubata? No, you were not held accountable. What did you do? You packed your bags
It's
and
not proven on TikTok. A criminal is proven in the courts.
You
If
okay?
I'm a
Cool. You
criminal,
packed
I
your
was
bags
supposed
from
to have
South
been
Africa.
proven in the courts.
Okay, you packed your
If I
bags
was
in
a
South
criminal,
Africa.
I was supposed to have been proven somewhere else. You are
Did
not
you
going to
not?
tell me I'm a criminal and I'm not going
No,
to
no.
be here to listen.
Jezra, you packed your bags from South Africa and you left and you went back to Zimbabwe. In your way and your quest to find your way and means of living in Zimbabwe, you started to be a ZANU-PF through Bronson, which was a good thing for you. You are doing well. You're trying to enter the places that you cannot even enter on your own, even still can never enter because of what you did in the past when you were criticizing ZANU-PF, when life was glorious in South Africa for you and many other people that you were working with. Only because you guys were found, people find out that wait.
No. Stop lying to the people. Themba, come back here. Stop
That's
lying.
that's
Everyone
what you
informing
said.
you
You
is
admitted.
misinforming you. Don't be. I want you to be
Admitted.
careful
No,
because you
but
might be
did you not
receiving.
admit? Did you not admit that you
No.
admitted you admitted that you are the man of the past? I respect that you are a man of the
Themba.
past now. That means that
Okay.
you did all those things is a man of the past. I respect that. You understand? I respect that, but we want to put it to bed here that
Right.
you used to do these things, faking prophecies, faking death, nokumutsa vanhu vanenge vakafa. And one of the guys, Mulungu waiva the owner of the
I did
building.
that when I was in South Africa. That's very true.
Yes,
I've
yes.
admitted to doing that.
Guys,
I
thank you
did
so
that.
much. Thank you
I've
so much
spoken
for
about it
admitting.
openly
Yes,
before this
I'm so
live. The
grateful.
videos are on social media.
No,
You are
I'm so
bringing me information that you have Googled and found
No,
out about me.
I've not.
Fine.
Jay
I have
Israel. Do
openly
you know
spoken
the
about
white
all
guy?
those issues.
Do you
Okay.
know the white guy who lived in Kyalami that used to own the building that you and that prophet from thing used to own, used to go? The guy from Congo. I know the owner of that church.
If you want
No,
to
do
talk
you
about
know?
someone, come talk about them with their names, okay? Don't be a
No,
coward.
no.
Be a man.
I'm not
Be a
gonna be a
man.
coward,
If you
but
want to talk about someone, come talk about the
that
person
guy
with the
used to
name.
come in my
Don't
to
come and say
train.
that guy. Listen, come here.
The guy used to be a client in my gym, and I know everything about. But anyway, we move that from that. No. We move on
No.
from that. J Israel. No.
Hey, come
No,
back here.
I want. No, don't say come back here. I'm the boss here. I'm the man here. Do you understand?
Yeah?
You have fake followers that you buy. I have real followers. You understand that?
No, let me tell you something,
There's a
brother.
big difference here. There's
No,
a big
hold on.
difference. J
Here's the
Israel,
thing.
between me and
We are
you,
not
man
going
to
to
man, you
deter
don't
from
have
the real person.
800,000 followers, okay?
No.
You can't have 800,000 followers and 8,000 views.
Going to
No,
deter from the real issue. The real issue is
no,
that you insulted the president, and
no, I'm
I
gonna
have
go
dealt
there.
with you.
I'm gonna go there. If people can record, they will record.
No.
Themba Gorimbo, insulted the president and said facts about things that are happening in Zimbabwe. And you do not even have to. You can record this. I say, yes, good job for going back and forth to try and record. I said what I said, and I stand by my words. Whether you like it or not, those are my words. Do you understand what I'm saying? And me, I don't go and hide behind anything. I said it live and direct on my Facebook, on all my social media platforms. So you cannot come here and say, oh, Themba, oh, this, or that, and you trying to gain relevance. Those people that you're trying to protect and so whatsoever, they come to me saying, no, Themba, ngatiwonesane so. Pamwe tinobhaiza tinoda iso. No.
Brother,
J Israel, I've
brother.
never heard of you
I
until
represent
you came
myself,
to my life.
okay?
No,
I
yes, but Mnangagwa, you must understand, I have gone to,
go and I'll say it again. I
yeah, but
represent
you
myself.
represent
I do not
yourself
represent
and
anybody.
Mnangagwa from your thing. No, but from your talk,
Right
you
now,
can.
I'm speaking to you in my own personal capacity, not in
Okay,
your
cool. You
capacity.
threatened me. Okay, did you not threaten me today and saying to me that I must never set foot
This
in
is not
Zimbabwe?
me representing anybody. Say whatever you want to say. Don't put words in my mouth. I'm not a child. I'm not a kid. I'm not going to stomach that. Okay?
The platform is mine.
No, listen here. The platform is mine. So listen here, J Israel. You came to me and made a post threatening me, saying all kinds of stuff about me and my family and all the kinds of stuff. And oh no, now he's running away. You threatened me, my family, and everything like that, J Israel. Um, and the thing is, J Israel, man to man, if anything happens to me, you know about it. Anything happens to me or my family, J Israel, you're gonna have to answer to that. Whether it's flu, whether it's anything. From now onwards, J Israel, just know this. I'm going to open a criminal case for you in South Africa. I'm not going to open in Zimbabwe, J Israel, because in Zimbabwe,
Okay,
I'm going
that's
to,
fine.
no, listen, I'm going to
Can I
open
repeat what I
a
said?
criminal.
No, I want to make it easy for you. I want
I'm
to make
going to,
you.
no, don't
I
make,
want to make your case
no,
stronger.
don't worry.
I want to make you. I want to make your case
I've
stronger
got
and easier.
lawyers. I've got lawyers.
No,
I've got
I want
people
to
that
make
will,
it
no,
easier and stronger.
I don't
Listen to
need,
me.
no, I want,
Come here. No,
you threatened
no,
me and my life and my family members' life
no.
in
I want to
Zimbabwe
make.
and in South Africa. And
I
J
want to make it
Israel,
easy.
no.
I want to make life.
No, J Israel, you listen to me. You don't know the law. You understand? So for all those criminal activities that you have done in South Africa, I'm going personally to open one for you if you have not had any opened for you. You
Go
understand, J
ahead to
Israel?
open whatever you want to open, but let me
Yes,
tell you
and
this: as long
because
as you incite people in Zimbabwe, the young people of Zimbabwe,
there is no inside.
to come and join
Nah,
your smear campaigns of speaking
I'm not.
against the president and government, it
I
will
don't
never
speak as.
happen.
I
It will
don't.
never happen.
I, you are hiding
It's not
behind.
good. You need to stop doing that. It's
You
not
are
good.
hiding. You are hiding.
All these 300
You
people
are.
watching here right now, they are supposed to be
Nah.
supporting.
Listen here, guys. My moderators, mute this guy. He must listen to me.
People like you, it's people like
No,
you who
listen
come
to
and
me.
incite and come and instill funny negative
Okay.
thoughts
Just
in
like you did in
young.
2020. Is that the same thing as you did in 2020? Answer me. Yeah. So you say I'm doing a smear campaign against Mnangagwa. You did the same thing in 2020 and 2019. So you tell me, on those days, were you wrong or were you right? All of a sudden now you are a saint because you are trying to eat, because you cannot. No, nobody. My moderators are dropping you because you are acting stupid here. My
No, just
moderators.
allow him to talk so that he will
No,
manage
no,
attack.
no. I'm waiting for him. They're gonna bring him back. Where is J Israel?
Talking shit. He's talking shit.
No. Leave him. Today I want to have man to man with him here. Because when he hears people, what, I want to put him on the spot, man to man. Because here he's.
Do not try to convince everybody on the platform that he belongs and he must convince us to join. No. We have got.
He's not even accepting anymore because he's not a smart enough guy. If you cannot run a church in South Africa and be successful, it already means you are not a smart person as you are, and with a lot of money behind it. Because I know about J Israel, I know about the church, I know about Lukaku's thing, and I even the white guy that was behind all that thing with the church, I know him. Do you understand? Yeah, you can say you are done talking to you because I was about to bring your files and your facts here, J Israel. You can do whatever you want. However, though, if anything happens to any of my relatives, who are even if I don't talk to them, even my far distant cousin or anybody, if anything happens to them from yesterday to the future, my man, you better find and hire bodyguards for every relative that I have, because once anything happens to them, you are the first suspect and you're going to have to answer due to your threat that you made. And my brother, I mean this, okay, J Israel. I mean this, and I mean this with everything that I have in my guts and everything that I have in my blood. Okay. You'll be in South Africa next week, you will see. You can go to London, you can go to wherever, my brother. I don't even think you can afford to go to South Africa by plane. Even though, because also I'm sure from what I know from the guy that used to own the building that you used to have a church on, because after you insulted me, I went and did a research. Then I realized, I know this guy. You know, from Pastor Lukau, you go by bus, and that's the truth. You are going by. You can only go to South Africa by bus, and you pay. You know, Dizamari go to Pindem, South Africa, J Israel. I know that for a fact. After I realized many things, you can only go to South Africa by bus, by the border where you can pay people and pay your way into. By airport, through the airport, my brother, you can't. You know that for a fact, because firstly, you are wanted in South Africa for so many things that you have done there. So, J Israel, one thing I'm going to tell you before you leave, I think you are still in the comment section. You couldn't answer and you couldn't hold the heat here. One thing I'm going to tell you, next time before you come here on my platform or even Facebook or Instagram or whatsoever, be smart. Pick your words, because you were trying to jump the gun here, trying to be in a ZANU-PF pocket and whatsoever. And guess what? The people in ZANU-PF, I talk to them. As much as I criticize ZANU-PF, some of those guys, they like me as a person. I can criticize you and I can still talk to you. I'm like that. Some of those guys, I talk to them and I message them today. I even send you the screenshot on your Instagram today, telling you I talked to some of these guys and they were not happy with you, J Israel. And you know now, right now in Zimbabwe, the ZANU-PF, they are not, even when I shout the president, Mnangagwa in calling you, I have got his number here. I can message him and say whatever. So don't even say this thing that you're saying in the comment section. You understand? You don't have his number. I have his number. You understand, J Israel? I can say whatever I want. You can't say anything because you need ZANU-PF to leave. I don't need ZANU-PF to leave, J Israel. Next time, J Israel, when you want something to do with ZANU-PF in Zimbabwe, mind your business, like they say, mind your hokoso. Because if you try to get into ZANU-PF through me, it will never happen. Because me, I'm respected in Zimbabwe. I'm not a fake pastor like you. Or I don't buy followers on Instagram like you and your friends. You understand? You've got 800,000 followers on Instagram. And what kind of a person are you that you have 800,000 followers on Instagram and your last 6 reels, the videos that you posted? Because I know about Instagram. If you buy fake followers, they will shadow ban you or anything that you do. They will shadow ban you. Even if you had 20,000 followers, those 20,000 followers will never see anything that you do. You have 1,600 views on your last video. This guy, J Israel. A lot of your stuff is fake. You are a fake human being and you are trying to be a fake ZANU-PF guy. They know that and they will never, ever, ever even accept you into the party. So J Israel, with all due respect, fuck you. Then bye-bye. I'm going to block you now. Never come to my platform ever again. Okay? This is my last request to you. I'm not speaking like a little girl. I just told you what you needed to hear. I'm going to block you now. And if you ever come here, you're going to come with something else. Bye-bye. Cheers.